Understanding Disaster and Disaster Management. Indian Medical Association, Headquarter Disaster Management Cell.
Understanding the disaster and disaster management is the first step to learn how to deal with the different disasters. If we know the basics, it will be easier for us to be prepared for the various types of the disasters. This is our first step to impart the knowledge of disaster management through the video over and above the various awareness programs conducted by IMA Disaster Management Cell. We have planned to prepare a series of video presentation with the aim to prepare our members for these disasters along with what they can do for the benefit of the society. This is the first in the series. Have a happy learning. Together we will achieve.
Disaster. Disaster can be any action, natural or man-made, which adversely affects the functioning of living organisms and results in economic and social instability. Disaster causes huge upset in normal day-to-day functioning of human beings. The effect of mishap may lead to several casualties and death. Human being, the most advanced living organisms present on the planet, has gone way ahead to challenge nature and ecosystem. Human intervention has resulted in major setback to the ecological cycle, causing series of natural disasters. Moreover, increasing dominance of human beings has produced many man-made disasters which have ended hundreds of lives and caused serious damage to society, environment, and economy. Disaster management. Disaster management focuses on pre-disaster planning, managing the casualties, and working towards minimizing the effects caused by the mishap. Planned steps are taken by the working authority that significantly reduces the impact of disaster and its effects. Disaster management aims to reduce the potential losses through prompt and appropriate assistance to the victims of disaster and makes sure that rapid recovery steps are taken so that normal life processes are resumed. The disaster management cycle demonstrates the ongoing process by which governments, businesses, and civil societies plan and reduce the impact of disasters, react during the immediately following a disaster, and take steps to recover after a disaster has occurred. Disaster management is organization and management of resources and responsibilities for dealing with all humanitarian aspects of emergencies, in particular alertness, response, and recovery in order to lessen the effect of disasters. Appropriate actions at all points in the cycle lead to greater preparedness, better warnings, reduced vulnerability, or the prevention of disaster during the next iteration of the cycle. Disaster management activities are designed and executed to minimize loss of life and damage. It also provides appropriate prevention and protection knowledge that plays a vital role during any disaster and disaster management program. Definitions. Hazard. A hazard can be defined as a potentially damaging physical event, social and economic disruption, or environmental degradation. Typical examples of hazards can be absence of rain or the abundance thereof. Hazards can be the creation of man or the environment. Risk. In terms of disaster management, risk can be defined as the probability of harmful consequences or expected losses, death, injury, damage to property and the environment, jobs, disruption of economic activity or social systems. Hazards will affect communities differently in terms of ability and resources with which to cope. Vulnerability. Vulnerability is described as the ability a person or community has to predict, cope with, or avoid and recover from the consequences of a hazard or disaster. Disaster mitigation. Disaster mitigation refers to structural and non-structural measures that are undertaken to limit the adverse impact of natural hazards, environmental degradation, and technological hazards on vulnerable areas, communities, and households. Disaster mitigation efforts can also target people who are at risk by reducing their vulnerability to a specific threat. Preparedness. Preparedness contributes to disaster risk reduction through measures taken in advance to ensure effective response to the impact of hazards, including timely and effective early warnings and the temporary evacuation of people and property from threatened locations.
Disaster management has assumed greater importance under the present day circumstances, not only because of more and more of the natural catastrophes and disasters that are happening. Even man-made disasters are increasing in number. Train accidents, lorry loaded with oil or kerosene or petrol meets with an accident and there is a fire and calamity, and bridge collapse, and even disease, floods, and so many things, where what we find is that the preparedness of the medical community and the public is not to the extent that is required. So IMA has formed a disaster management committee since 2007, and I am really proud and happy to say that the present team heading the IMA disaster management under Dr. Chetan Patel is doing a wonderful job, and it has come out with a video which educates our medical community as to what should be done in such a circumstances. There has to be a systematic approach to this, triage, isolation, and so many factors are there, mobilizing the medical help and even the paramedic help, informing the government, coordinating with the government, and many activities are to be done by a medical man who is called to sort of manage and supervise such situations. The disasters management educative video is very informative. It motivates doctors as to how they should act, and it also educates them as to what should be done. I congratulate the IMA Disaster Management Cell, particularly Dr. Chetan Patel, for the initiative.